Slides for examples of female genital system. Primary sex organ, the ovary, examined by naked eye and eyepiece and low power. Excretory passages, fallopian tube, examined by eyepiece and different low power magnifications. The uterus, in endometrial changes. Proliferative phase, examined by eyepiece and low power. Secretory phase, examined by eyepiece and low power. Vagina, examined by eyepiece and different low power magnifications. Accessory organs, mammary gland, resting mammary gland, examined by eyepiece and low power. Lactating mammary gland, examined by eyepiece and low power. Placenta, examined by low power. Ovary. By naked eye, it is an oval section showing multiple circles of different sizes. By eyepiece, the ovary is covered by a connective tissue capsule and it shows ovarian follicles at different stages of development, especially mature Graafian follicles and corpus luteum are easily diagnosed. By low power, the ovary is covered by a connective tissue capsule and it contains different types of ovarian follicles. Growing follicles are small-sized, present under the capsule at the periphery, while mature Graafian follicles are characterized by large-sized, thin-walled vesicles containing fluid liquor folliculi, and an ovum eccentric in position attached to the wall of the mature Graafian follicle by a mass of cells called the discus proligerus. The wall of the mature Graafian follicle is made from inside outwards membrana granulosa cells, then plasmid membrane, finally the theca folliculi. Mature Graafian follicle by high power. It is a large macroscopic structure, rounded, thin-walled vesicle with a wide follicular cavity containing fluid, liquor folliculi. It contains the ovum, which is a large, rounded, with an eccentric nucleus present at one side of the Graafian follicle, covered by the zona pellucida and surrounded by columnar granulosa cells, the corona radiata, which is tightly adherent to the ovum. The follicular cells lining the follicular cavity are called zona granulosa. The ovum is connected to the wall of the follicle by a mass of cells called discus proligerus. Mature Graafian follicle is surrounded by a capsule of stroma cells called the theca folliculi.